Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. In this week's video, we'll be making a tray. This tray is an easy build. You will not spend more than 10 minutes making it. It's beautiful. You can use it for your bathtub. You can use it as a design centerpiece for your dining room table. It's perfect for everyday use as well. So stay tuned and learn how to make it. And here's a list of the tools and the materials that you're going to need for this bath tray. I'll put a list of the wood cuts on the description box, and get pumped up and let's get ready to build. I use a 900mm long pine and also 2 pieces which are offcuts, which are going to be serving as bath stoppers. So basically they will help your bath tray not to move around. When dealing with pine or any delicate wood, I always strongly advise that you pre-drill your wood before you put on the screws. It makes life easier that way. Depending on what purpose you want your tray to serve, if you want to use this as a bath tray, what I advise that you do is just to measure the length of your bathtub and then put the 2 offcuts in the same distance similar to that of your bathtub, so that it must act as a stopper. Fortunately for me, the handles that I bought came with a drill guide. What a drill guide is basically a fancy ruler that gives you a clear indication on where you need to drill. So and also put the handles as well. So it was very convenient and I love how it turned out. Here's a tip: if you don't have a drill guide and you want to put your handles properly, what I advise that you do is just to put paint right at the bottom of your handles and then put a stamping mark on it, and it will give you a clear indication on where you need to drill. Moving on to the finishing of the tray, what I used this week is a mahogany stain, which is perfect, quick to dry and easy to apply as well. Please share our videos with your friends and your family, or you can even try the projects yourself, because I believe that once you start DIYing, trust me, there is no going back. It's addictive. Please remember to apply protective wood sealer on your wood as well. It protects your wood from getting water damage. Once I was finished staining, I waited a few minutes until my stain was nice and dry. Then I was able to put on my handles. The handles that I bought came with specific screws, so what I needed to do was just to counter sink my wood cut. So basically this position was me just counter sinking the wood cut. It was just to allow the screws just to sit in a straight line position. There's a specific drill for this. I don't have it, so I needed to improvise. And remember, please never feel intimidated about starting your DIY journey, because don't be intimidated by the fancy tools and everything. Once you start with whatever you have, and then once you start, there is no stopping. You will love it and you enjoy it, and it's amazing. The last and the final step of this project was just make sure that everything was securely tightened. The handles were securely tightened as well, and nothing is shifting. I love how this project turned out. It's beautiful, it's easy. Please do try this at home and share the pictures with me. Make this for a friend, make this for a family member as a gift. They'll really love it as well. I'm gonna be using mine as a bath tray. It's very nice and it goes well with the ambiance of the house. I love it as well. So please do try this at home and then share your videos with me and show your pictures with me. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate your love and your support that you share with me weekly. Until next time, cheers, bye.